स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टैम्प इंटरनेशनल पब्लिशर्स। दिस इज तैयबा शकील। प्यारे बच्चों, पिछले वीडियो में हमने चैप्टर नंबर 11 सन एंड द सोलर सिस्टम के बारे में डिटेल में पढ़ा। हमने सूरज और उसके सितारों के बारे में बहुत सारी बातें जानी। आज हम इस वीडियो में इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व करने जा रही हैं। तो प्यारे बच्चों, अपनी किताबें खोलो, हम करते हैं एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व। टिक द करेक्ट आंसर। फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज द मेन सोर्स ऑफ हीट एंड लाइट फॉर द अर्थ? Option A, the moon. Option B, the sun. Option C, Venus. And the right option is B, the sun. Second, which planet is called the red planet? Option A, Mars. Option B, Venus. Option C, Mercury. And the right option is A, Mars. Third, which is the largest planet in the solar system? Option A, Earth. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Saturn. And the right option is B, Jupiter. Fourth, what are Saturn's rings made of? Option A, ice and rock. Option B, dust. Option C, gases. And the right option is A, ice and rock. Fifth, how many planets are in solar system? Option A, 7. Option B, 8. Option C, 9. And the right option is B, 8. Take the correct statements and cross the wrong ones. First, the sun moves around the earth. Cross. Second, the Neptune is the farthest planet from the sun. Tick. Mars is called the red planet. Tick. Venus is the largest planet in the solar system. Cross. Saturn's rings are made up of ice and rock. Tick. Choose the correct words from the book to fill in the blanks. Heat, axis, Mercury, Venus, rings. First, the sun is the main source of heat and light. Second, the earth spins on its axis, causing day and night. Third, Mercury is the smallest planet in solar system. Fourth, Venus is known as the evening star. Fifth, Saturn has beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Write short answers to the following questions. Question number 1. What is the solar system made up of? And the answer is, the solar system comprises the sun, 8 planets, their moons and other objects. Question number 2. Why is Mars called the red planet? And the answer is, Mars is called the red planet because it looks red. Question number 3. Name the smallest and the largest planets in the solar system. And the answer is, the smallest planet is Mercury and the largest planet is Jupiter. Question number 4. What is special about Saturn? And the answer is, Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice and rock. Write long answers to the following questions. Explain why we have day and night. And the answer is, the earth spins towards the east, which is why the sun rises in the east every morning and sets in the west every evening. The side of the earth facing the sun has day, while the side away from the sun is in shadow and has night. Question number 2. Write 3 facts about Jupiter. And the answer is, Jupiter is the largest planet in this solar system. It has about 95 moons. Jupiter is known for the big red spot on its surface, which is a huge storm. Question number 3. Describe the features of the sun and why it is important for life. And the answer is, the sun is the main source of heat and light. It shines brightly in the sky during the day. It seems to rise in the east every morning and set in the west every evening. However, the sun does not move. It is the earth that spins on its axis and causes day and night. This movement is called rotation. तो बच्चों, आज हमने चैप्टर नंबर 11 द सन एंड द सोलर सिस्टम की एक्सरसाइज सॉल्व की। उम्मीद करती हूँ इस चैप्टर में आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने को मिलेंगी। एक्सरसाइज बार बार आप रिवाइज करते रहें ताकि इस चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कॉन्सेप्ट आपको याद रहें। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। अपना ख्याल रखें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।